wash your potatoes. And I'm cutting my potatoes in half so they boil so quickly and easily, because people always say like if you want to boil your potato without cooker, then cut into half so they can boil quickly, and then put your potatoes in there. Let them sit in this pan for about 10 minutes and let them boil. Take a lid and that's it. Next thing we have to do is, let me open my onion. Why so much packaging in Korea? Why so much? Me clean my onion. This is my first time making aloo paratha in Korea. I ordered so many times from Indian restaurant and I love from there, but it's a different thing to cook at home. Let me clean all this dhania. This is too much for me. I don't know what I will do. Yeah. Okay, now I can wash it. So next thing we have to do is to atta lagana, atta gundna. I got this whole wheat flour, and let's open this before it gets expired. So this is the reason why I'm making aloo paratha, because I got it so long ago and I haven't even opened this yet, and today's the time that let me try this. So this is the atta. Yeah, this much is nervous. Key to make a dough is to add water little by little, not at once. Oh wow, I'm so impressed by my skill. I still remember. Okay, now this is perfect. So my potatoes are still boiling and I'm gonna wait and let this dough rest a little bit so we can get perfect smooth dough. Potatoes ho gaye. Come on. Okay, so पहले छील लेते हैं आलू को. Don't disappoint me. Okay, next thing what I'm gonna do is cut my coriander. Wow, that smell reminds me of India. Oh my god. It looks like dhania ka paratha, not aloo ka. So next thing is my onion. Oh my god, I'm crying. Oh my god, it's too much. Okay, I'm adding this 1 clove of garlic. Not all people add this, but if you like, you can. It's up to you. Already it feels like India. I'm in India. Oh my god. So now all my masalas. This is garam masala, this is lal mirch, jeera, namak. So first thing I'm gonna add is namak. Swad anusar. Too much? I don't know. Not all people add garam masala, but I'm adding just a little bit, not too much. And then my mirch. Not too much, just a little bit. Swad anusar, everyone. If you like too much, then you can add more. And then this garlic salt. Not all people add jeera, but I like to add jeera in my aloo paratha. Not too much. And not so many people add coriander powder. I like to add a little bit, not too much. I don't like green chili in my aloo paratha, so I don't add, but it's up to you. Whatever you like, you can add. Let's mix all together. If you don't know how to make aloo paratha, I mean seriously, why? Now I have to taste if everything is okay. I think I need a little bit more. So I cleaned everything to make it look good. So I'm gonna make my aloo paratha in this, and I'm gonna use the chopping board as my chakla. And for my belan, I'm gonna use this. Yeah, this is like a Korean belan. So let's begin. Let me show you how I make it. So first thing you will need, so this is your atta and it's ready. So let me calculate first. I can make like 3 out of this. dry atta. Oh, you need oil too. Oh, okay. And then, ooh. This is like the first time I'm doing this, so you have to make first this, and then take your aloo. I prefer more aloos than this atta in my aloo ka paratha. So my mother always like put so much aloo in my aloo ka parathas, and she makes really good aloo ka parathas. Oh my god, it's too much. You have to close it now. Yay! And now you have to use this dry atta. It sounds so easy making aloo ka paratha, but it's super tricky. Now you have to do it like this. Make your aloo ka paratha. Wow, everything is going perfectly so far. I didn't imagine this. You turn on the heat. First paratha. Okay. Oh no. Oh. Wow, it looks so good. This is my aloo ka paratha. It smells so good. My second paratha is ready. I already made this. Wow. Second one. But are left, so maybe I'm gonna make sandwich out of this. So my third one is ready. Ooh, it looks super fatty and super good. To enjoy all these parathas, you will need, some people eat with dahi, yogurt, and some people eat with tomato sauce. People like me, I really like to eat my parathas with my pickle. I got it from Indian store, but only aam ka achar. So hungry. Finally I made it. I was thinking to make this for so long, and then I thought, let me share this recipe with you. Okay, take care of yourself. Have a nice day. Bye.